Go.
Hi, this is problem 2 on 6.3 algebra.
Good. Okay. So you can see that I changed a couple things from the problem in the original. Okay. I changed it to y. It's just going to be easier for me to write and for you to see, maybe. I don't know. And then I think that I moved the orientation, but I can't remember if. Actually, I think it was f of x equals or whatever. So never mind. Forget it. I see here that I have this negative 4/3 out in front as my lead coefficient. You have to get rid of that. Okay. So, how do you get rid of negative 4/3? What do you multiply by?
1.
3/4. You have to multiply by 3/4. Remember, it's the reciprocal. So we're actually going to multiply by negative 3/4. Okay? And then I have to multiply this by negative 3/4. And then I have to multiply this by negative 3/4. It's going to look weird, but bear with me, okay? This is negative 3/4 y, right, equals the negative 3 and the 3 cancel out. The 4 and the 4 cancel out. I'm left with x squared, okay? And now you've got this negative 3/4 times negative 8x. Negative times a negative is a positive, okay? And negative 3/4 times negative 8/1 really is just like, I don't know, you could multiply 3 times 8 and get 24, and then 4 times 1 and get 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. Or you could reduce. Can I have a different color? 4 and 8 reduced to just 2. So you really have a 3 times a 2. No, it's good. A 3 times a 2 also gives you 6. Okay, that part was probably confusing. I'm sorry. Just plug it in your calculator.
Yeah.
Thanks. Yeah. Complete the square. Cut 6 in half and square it. So my square is 9. New color.
Yep. Got it up.
Okay. Now we factor. X plus 3 quantity squared. And we've got negative 3/4 y plus 9. Lovely.
Lovely.
Now get y by itself. New color. Minus 9. Minus 9. Negative 3/4 y equals x plus 3 squared minus 9. Now, I'm going to use this one. I like this one.
Oh, come on.
Now, you've got to get rid of this negative 3/4 to get y by itself. But again, the opposite of 3/4 is 4/3, reciprocal. So you have to multiply this by negative 4/3, which means you have to multiply this by negative 4/3. No math involved here. Just throw it in front of the parenthesis. Remember, that's our a, right? That's going to be our a value. But then this 9 has to get multiplied by negative 4/3. Tell Daddy to lower his voice in there, please. So 4/3 times 9 is, let's see, 9/1 times 4/3. You could multiply 9 times 4 and then divide by 3, or you could reduce. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Stop it. So 4 times 3, this is just going to be 12.
12.
Oh my God. And a negative times a negative is a positive. So this is going to be a plus 12. This is a negative 4/3 x plus 3 squared plus 12. That's a lot, okay? We're going to start to talk about, though, and I think I'm ready for it tomorrow, maybe, or what's today? Tuesday? Stop it. So Thursday we'll do it. This number out in front is going to make the graph shrink and grow, right? Like get fatter and narrower. This plus 3 is going to move it, right? So we already said the vertex is at negative 3, positive 12. And the axis of symmetry is at x equals negative 3. This is a maximum value. Okay? That -3, +12 is a maximum value. And I know that because of this -4/3 out in front, right? A negative out in front shows us a frowny face parabola. Pay no attention to this. This was a mess up.
Frowny face.
All right.
Mess up.
Give it a try. I'll post the answers. Bye.